This is the unboxing of the Kelvin 23 kindly supplied by the Glow Company. So first we'll just unbox it. It's got a little security seal here. Simply get that off. There we go. It looks like the box should just slide out. Yep. I like the colour scheme of the box, orange and white with a bit of grey. Right, there we go, the top bit's white, the bottom bit's a nice orange, and inside you get a piece of grey and orange cardboard with a hole for the Kelvin 23, and whoa, it's a lot bigger than I expected. Seems a lot stronger than I expected as well. So you get the Kelvin 23, and underneath that you get a little how to use guide. Just a few instructions. So that's a quick unboxing of the Kelvin 23 kindly supplied by the Glow Company.